Hi there guys, welcome back, and we're now going to continue learning modes, and we've done 5 modes altogether, and now we're going to look at the 6th mode, which is actually called the Aeolian mode. Okay, so let me write this one out for you. It's Aeolian. Aeolian. So, as you can see, I'm almost losing my mind with these modes and these crazy words. 6th degree. Okay, so let's just pull this back over to our original C major scale. The 6th degree, so this box here, is Aeolian, okay? So in this case, that's an Aeolian scale, and the Aeolian scale is minor, okay? Now, if you've been following through from the very beginning of this Theory Lab stuff, so when we first did the concept of a minor scale, you'll actually probably clue onto something here. That just like the Ionian is called just major these days, the Aeolian is actually just the natural minor scale, okay? Because we should know from way back when we looked at it, that if you start from the 6 and go all the way around, that's the natural minor scale, okay? So an A minor scale is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Simple as that, okay? So the good news here is we've already got experience with modes. We already kind of know a little bit about how to, work with a mode, because we've been doing it ever since you've been playing a major scale and a minor scale. You've been playing modes. You just haven't quite realized it up to this point. You've been using the Ionian and the Aeolian mode, and you've really, hopefully, kind of understanding a little bit about how you use each one differently. Okay. Now that's a really, really important point with this whole modal thing, that you need to think of every single scale as a separate scale, not just the 3rd degree of a major scale, for example. Because you think about it, if you were thinking of the minor scale the whole time as the 6th degree of a major scale, you'd probably just treat it like a major scale, and you'd play a major scale but try to target, in this case, the A, for example. And by learning it as a separate scale and applying it to a separate chord progressions and style of music and everything else, you've really started to understood that mode a lot more deeply, okay? Deeper is probably the better way to say that. So you've got Aeolian now that we're working with, and let me just do the formula, but essentially you know this already if you know the minor scale, okay? So Aeolian, which is how I say it in my head to remind myself of the spelling, Aeolian, is the minor scale formula. So it's root, 2nd, flat 3rd, 4th, 5th, flat 6, and then flat 7. Oh, flat 7 like that, okay? So there we have it. That is just to be remembered, but I'm hoping that you've already kind of done that bit, okay? And you know the Aeolian scale already because you know the minor scale. So just to summarize, Aeolian is the 6th degree, more commonly known as the minor scale, the natural minor scale, and therefore is obviously a minor mode, okay? And this is our formula, that when we come back to this in a couple of videos, it's going to make a lot of sense why we're learning these formulas, okay? So that's your information for now, and I'll see you next time for the last mode.